When a beverage truck overturned on the highway, anxiety swept over the driver, envisioning the huge losses he would face. However, that tense atmosphere quickly transformed into a warm and touching moment as locals and drivers rushed to buy the scattered boxes of drinks from the pavement. In an instant, the messy road turned into a bustling pop-up market, where many people not only bought drinks for themselves but also to help lighten the driver's burden. This spontaneous act of solidarity reaffirmed that amid difficulties, there is still goodness and care in the hearts of everyone.